All right, now you guys may have seen the live and you may not have seen the live. This is just in case you haven't seen the live. So what we have here is some beautiful, beautiful white oak slabs that I just milled. So it's green and it has a nice burl section in it. You've probably seen the shorts. You can't see the big burl because it's, well, it's down further in the wood now. But I'm working on treating it, getting it stickered up, and then we'll cover it. And I'm going to work on building a special building for this treated lumber that we're doing with the preservation solution stuff. But hopefully I'll get to that soon. But here, let's go ahead. I got this one all broomed off here. So let me go grab the solution and we'll start putting some on. All right, I'm just using a old coffee container here. I just kind of pour some out along here. And I kind of use the broom kind of like you would a squeegee. I just kind of go back and forth. Now you want to put it on here pretty good and let it soak in, because that's the whole point of it. It's got to soak in through the fibers of the wood or it's not going to work. So you want to put it on here pretty good. These boards are 6/4, so they're not super thick. It'll probably take 2 applications of this. And I just kind of, you'll want to let it sit in there and soak it in if you're trying to replace the water with this solution in the wood. So you really want to get it soaked in there good. Nice little knot hole there, and there's that part of that, it had like a little bit of a branch burl that broke off at some point. It's always fun doing stuff with one hand and making sure the camera is also getting a view. But this is Pentacryl, and it is from Preservation Solutions. So they are a wood treatment company. Let's do this end grain really good. That I'll come back and do 2 or 3 times. Had pretty good luck putting this on the end grain and not having it check. This isn't our first one. We've done quite a few of them. So let me get this rolled over and we'll repeat the application. I'll bring you back and kind of show you the whole project here at the end. Okay. Got one last one, the sticker. I've got to go make some more stickers, but this stuff is absolutely gorgeous. White oak. So I didn't really figure out the board footage. It's somewhere in the neighborhood of probably 250, 300 board feet. So we just went right through the log and slabbed it. So it'll be interesting to see. You know, you got your quarter sawn almost right here. When you're doing large slabs like this, you're not going to get it. You're going to get some of that curve in it, you know, as you get towards the outside. So it's going to be interesting to see how well it works on the white oak. Like I said, I've done cherry and I've done maple with this solution, and it came out great. So this is exciting to be able to have a nice stack of white oak to do this time. You're just going to have to stay tuned, and we'll see you back probably on this project in about a year to take a look at it and see where we're at.